Joe Beermaster here. Today we have a Ford 5.0 engine and we're doing a rebuild on this, and I'm going to show you why a rebuild is being done. Good. I'm here with Big Joe today.
Yeah, not changing oils. Again, lack of oil changes. And we have to put a new crank and the two new rods, number 7 and number 8. So oil, guys, very important. Gotta change the oil on time. So now we just did the complete rebuild.
So
all new ring, new pistons. And you can show the crank, how's it look, brand new. And then we did the, here, look, the piston.
did the rebuild? You put new pistons in, or you had them?
No, new piston, new rings. The block was all honed up, all honed and everything.
Rehoned.
Yeah, honed, yes.
And this was a direct result of not changing the oil.
Yes.
So how expensive is a job like this?
About 5,000.
It's a Ford 5.0 engine, which is in the trucks and
Yeah.
cars.
You can show them right there.
Is this the same one in the Mustangs?
Yes.
All right. And then what did you do up top? Anything?
Two valves are leaking, so I'm gonna fix them. That's the head.
Okay.
I cleaned it all up.
Is this a common problem with the Fords?
Not really.
Okay.
Yeah. Not the 5.0. 5.0 is a pretty good engine, but if you don't change your oil, that's the result you get.
Well, that's what happened. That'll happen in any car. We took it out of this Ford pickup truck. What year is this?
2014.
2014. So how much is this job on a retail level?
I would say at least 7,000.
Really?
Yeah.
$7,000 retail.
You gotta go back in.
So that's what happens. Keep your engine oil changed.
That's the oil came out of it. You can show them. Look.
Let's take a look. Yeah, it's all sludgy.
Yeah, that's all metal in it.
I see worse than that, but
Yeah.
that's pretty bad.
But now everything is clean.
I had a customer yesterday that came in with oil like that, and I told her
we
to
cleaned
change
the
it before
pan.
there's a
How
problem.
clean it is. Now we usually wash it with acid.
Gotta get all the metal flakes
Yeah.
out.
So water takes it out, and then I blow it off and I put everything back on. Just once I'm done, it's going to be brand new. All right, guys. So anything else?
Thanks for watching, Joe Beermaster, and thank you, Big Joe.